Hey guys, Czar checking in with you right now. Right now, looking at a short on this structure. First trade in a while here, at least an hour or so. A little bit more, I guess. Yeah, an hour and 10 minutes, okay? Short now. Short stop limit. Give me 1 minute, just going over to my platform. And now I'm in this trade. Looking for 26 points on this one. I'm going to make it 25. I'm going to make it around 25. And it'll be 1.3 R, right? Stop above previous candle high. I'm going to put this on pause. We're going to watch this thing develop as I take care of a couple of logistical matters here with my Telegram group, okay? You get to watch this now. I'm going to, actually, you know what? I'll put the mic on mute and then just get you to watch this with me. All right, guys, we're going to just kind of go in sideways here. So I'm going to put you on pause and bring you back when something interesting happens. I'm going to protect you from the sideways grind. Here we go. On pause now. Okay, guys, we're back. This position is starting to move in our favor. And so just looking for this to move down a bit lower here. Looking for 25 points on this one. And the reason for the trade, I think, is fairly self-explanatory, but this has been a weak market today. Futures are actually down 107 points. In the New York session, we had a drive down right from the open, then a pull back to the open. So it was a break and a reset, if you will, or a retest, and a reset in terms of balance and equilibrium, and then a very strong drive down. A creeping pull back here on the 10-minute chart, like a bow being pulled back with the idea to release the arrow again back into support. We're not even going. It's only 1:17 in the afternoon. It's some quiet time here on this Tuesday. We're just trying to get a piece of the action here if we can. All right. So we're watching this now together. We'll see how this thing plays out. And I'm going to put you on pause again and bring you back if we get some movement here. All right, guys, watching closely now. Getting a bit of a drive. We're getting some volume in here. Some activity as the traders come back from lunch. Quite possibly true, by the way. I talk about that in some of my other videos. Coming from the financial world, and some of the largest asset managers, I can assure you that lunch is a very real phenomenon. These people do eat, and they do eat at lunchtime. Watching now. Watching now. Patience. Patience. Stop to break even. We're in a no-lose situation now. We've locked in a break-even worst-case scenario. Not just waiting for this to play out. Playing out could mean break-even, or playing out could mean 25 points. A nervous trader would take this off the table now. Could have had 19 points. Could take it now for 16 points. That would be our biggest point win of the day. No, we had a 24-point winner and a 10-point winner in the same trade. So no, that was our biggest trade earlier. terms of points, right? This is all about our values, though. It's not about points. But my point is, using the word point again, is that a nervous trader would take this off the table, and that's not the way to run a profitable business practice. I'm willing to give back that 14, 16, 17 points and take a break even as if the trade never happened in order to make the 25, because I know that over time that's absolutely critical for the math to work and to be a profitable trader, to have a profitable business where revenues outpace expenses. In trading, expenses are fees, commissions, spreads, but the biggest expense is ongoing routine losses that are an absolutely essential part of every trader's business practice. Make no mistake about it. That's the biggest expense. And unless you're willing to take those and to acknowledge those and to manage those ongoing routine expenses or losses, then you will not have a successful business practice, plain and simple. Watching that with patience. No guarantees on this at all, far from it. We have a trade idea, we have a trade thesis, and we flip the coin that is weighted slightly towards heads, and we're calling heads. Betting, if you will, that the market is going to move in the same direction as our trade idea. And that's all trading is. Watching now. Watching now. Patience. No tension in my hands or in my body, in my chest or in my breathing. It's a very clinical function. Winning or losing on this trade doesn't make me a winner or a loser in life. It's just a transaction. It's just a coin flip. And if you haven't yet, I encourage you to listen to my playlist on the mental game, trading psychology, the most important playlist I have. The difference between a winning and a losing trader, the mental game. And we're done. Nice trade, guys. 25 points. Thank you for joining me. We will see you tomorrow in London Open or New York Open, depending on when you can join us. Thanks again. Take care, guys. Have an amazing evening.